Good evening. So today we are going to see the expected Nifty levels for the week, that is this week, that is as today the Holi. Today market has been leave, right? So the prediction or expectation of Nifty levels are from tomorrow 30th March to Friday, that is 2nd March. So let us see what is the expectations of Nifty levels. So now the Nifty was closed on the last trading session at 14,518, and for the whole day of the complete day session on Friday, the Nifty has seen a very good recovery, which was clearly a gap up and a straight clear gap filling and a sustainable movement or momentum on Nifty on Saturday, and it was ended in green without any major volatility. So, and still the closing point of view of Nifty of Friday's session, it was seems to be somewhat a recovery end, and still the global markets, the major global market, that is the US market, are trading in red, and the European market UK 100 also trading in red. We have to wait until tomorrow's morning. If the US market and US market is going to close on a positive note by tomorrow, we can expect a positive move on Nifty level, and the sustainable move of Nifty level will be going to be strengthened above 14,578, that is approximately 14,580, which shall be carried out with the same strength for an upside move if the UK market opens and continues its trading with a positive note by tomorrow afternoon. As the global markets are under small consolidation, our Nifty is facing lot of compression. So hopefully we can expect for a positive move by tomorrow. If not, we can expect for a consolidation of Nifty in ranges of 14,400 and 14,550 levels. If by tomorrow afternoon, after opening of the UK market, with the help of UK market that is, if the UK market are going to be trading in a positive move by afternoon, and at the same time if the Nifty is going to be crossing the 14,580 level, the Nifty may get into a bullish entry, and that bullish entry will be getting powerful after 14,636. We can expect the bullishness up to 14,780 levels, approximately 130 points, and that bullish trend may be continue up to 14,900 and further up at least up to 15,000 levels by this week. So we can expect a bullish move for this week up to 15,000 level, above 14,600 to 15,000 level, that is approximately a 14.400 point movement by this week. if the global cues are not going to support by tomorrow, there may be a gap down opening by tomorrow market. If the gap down opening is going to happen, then the Nifty may be bearish until 14,400 level. If it is going to break that level, the Nifty may have to go until 14,300 level. So these are the Nifty key levels for, that is expected key levels for this week. Then let us see now the sectoral indices. What are the sectors are in a mood to support the Nifty bullish market? So let us see that. So regarding Nifty IT, if see Nifty IT, the Nifty IT is not completely in a mood to recover, but we can expect a bullish move in Nifty IT up to 25,800 level. Still, the Nifty IT is not in a mood to support the Nifty completely. But if the global cues are going to support by tomorrow, there is a lot of chance for a bullish ride on IT sector. The IT sector also entered into a mood of recovery. So these are the some points we can expect for positive levels of Nifty by this week. So there are more chances for Nifty bullish ride by this week after a long time. This week may be a bullish move on Nifty. We can expect for a bullish move on Nifty. Then regarding Nifty Auto, the Nifty Auto also trying to give a good recovery. It is also going to be strong above 9,950 level. Then the sector indices, that is Nifty FMCG. The FMCG has been entered into a bullish momentum. So for this week, the investments may be for those who want to enter a short entry trades like 3 to 4 days holding for this week. They can select the stocks from FMCG. The trend based entries in FMCG may help this week. So we can go for a FMCG. Then regarding the sectoral indices, Nifty Pharma. The Nifty Pharma is highly under consolidation. So we have to wait until a breakout or breakdown movement in pharma. So this week is not a good entry time for pharma. We have to wait after a breakout entry in pharma. Nifty Metal, the sector Nifty Metal. The Nifty Metal is looking good for this week. Or this week you can go with the long position in Nifty Metal. So you can select stocks from Nifty Metal for entries. I am just giving some of the indices only today. Nifty Finance. Regarding Nifty Finance, the Nifty Finance also entered into a good bullish trend. So you can go with the Nifty Finance also. So Nifty you can avoid Nifty Pharma unless there is a breakout entry. So for this week, the sectors looking good are Nifty Finance, Nifty FMCG, and Nifty Metal. These are looking very good. Nifty Finance, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Metal are looking very good. So you can go with the long positions for this week. That is a short term trade of 3 to 5 days or 7 days. You can enter into Nifty Finance, Nifty FMCG and Nifty Metal. Regarding Nifty mid cap 150, it is also going to under a strong consolidation. Soon we can expect a breakout in Nifty mid cap. After the breakout of 88,850 levels, we can expect for good moves in Nifty mid cap 150. So this week for entries, if you want to take entries for long position by Tuesday, you can select Nifty Metal, Nifty Finance, Nifty FMCG. These three indices are good for going long position from tomorrow and holding up to a week. So I think this video may be informative and helpful for you. Thank you for watching.